Hello guys and girls, it's me again. I just thought I'd give you a part two. Here is part two. So the seat is off. Obviously this will look completely different to yours. There'll normally be a box here with the lock here connecting it, and you'd normally unplug it to take your normal seat off, and then you'd have a bolt under here that will take this other seat off, but mine's a one piece. Bolts and whatnot. Now this is the air filter, so I'll be taking off. Obviously, that's the only little air we've got at the minute. But we'll sort that out. Give me a blooming second. Get the sharpest thing I can find, and just go like that through and through. There we go. That's one side. I'll just remove this bastard. If you're wondering what this is, I have to take this battery cover off. So yeah, airbox delete. Done. There is the DNA air filter. Look at that too. I think I'll give that a clean the next month. Right, next job, second DB killer. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't lie when I say it's got two DB killers. So here is DB killer 1, which I took out of here. Took off this, which I used to break the duct tape off. Put that back there so I don't lose anything. All my bolts and everything's there. And actually turn that around, stick everything in there that I need. And yeah, I'm going to take the old beauty off. I'll rest on the grass because that's okay. And here she be. Second DB killer, look at that. Look. 2 DB killers. Job done. Right. I'll get back to you when it's all back together. And I won't do a sound. I might do a sound test. Alright, well it's all back together, so I guess I can give you a sound test. That is getting on, so it's 10, well, 4 to 10, so yeah. All back together, just let me get the key. Alright, you asked for it, here's the sound test.